Habang ine-enjoy natin yung ating masarap na pagkain, kwentuhan nyo naman po kami kung what do you do in Golden Home Caregivers? So ano po ba ito?
Yeah, so yung regarding sa RRC, yun naman yung sa March 30,
Yeah.
no? Yung application. But what I mean is, funding is yun yung ma-avail mo sa government, no?
Oh,
May pa-free caregiving yung gobyerno.
Wow!
Yeah. We are going to launch a special training for staff in a case-to-case basis. And this is gonna be done through a VR system.
Wow!
Wow.
High tech!
Yes, because we feel the only way to expose someone is to be in that scenario.
Okay, sir. Here's the thing. I understand na you're from Calgary, no?
Yes.
And you have been doing the business in Calgary for so many
6
years now, or for so long now.
Yeah.
Tell us, sir, why are you in Edmonton? Okay, so eto na. Last na lang, sir, para sa akin, personally, ang tanong ko. And magbe-benefit naman ito sa ating mga future clients.
Yes.
Okay, so as a previous caregiver, kasi you're also a caregiver, di ba?
Yeah.
So that means nanggaling kayo sa iba't ibang mga caregiving company. So you've seen them all, right? And then now you're a business owner. You own your own caregiving company.
Yeah.
And you know how your business works. Question, the big question is, why should we go with Golden Home Caregivers?
Yes.
What's up mga kabalen? So another day, another vlog na naman para sa atin. And syempre, we do not forget to thank God for giving us another opportunity para makapag-vlog sa araw na ito. Ayan. So this time around mga kabalen, kita nyo may mga kasama tayo at nandito tayo sa harap ng mga masasarap na pagkain kasi nandito tayo ngayon sa Macau Imperial Parsons Place. Ayan. So, di ba nakita nyo naman sa ating mga previous vlog nung finiture natin to. Talagang masasarap ang mga pagkain dito. Kaya naman, dito namin naisipan na magkwentuhan at i-enjoy yung kanilang mga pagkain. So, eto, without further ado mga kabalen, no, introduce ko na sa inyo yung mga kasama natin. So, first up, si Sir Fredo, ang owner ng Golden Home Caregivers. Hello po sir, hello po kayo sa ating mga kabalen and followers.
Yes, hello. I'm Fredo Clado. I'm the founding president of the company Golden Home Caregivers Corporation. We kind of call ourselves Ka-Golden.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
We're caregivers in Calgary and Edmonton area po.
Okay. So, thank you. And we are here with also ang kanilang HR. Yan, kung mag-a-apply kayo sa kanila, siya ang kakaharapin nyo. Sir, pakilala po kayo.
Yeah, I am Cyrus Preglo. I am the HR of Golden Home Caregivers Corporation. So, kung mayroong gustong mag-apply, gustong mga clients na they are interested to have been taken care of by this company, then yeah,
Yan.
you're welcome.
Alright. And syempre, caregiving ito, kailangan meron tayong RN. Ayan. So, ang ating RN, si Madam Nancy. Ayan. So, bati po kayo sa ating mga followers.
Hi everyone, my name is Nancy and I'm the case manager or the care coordinator of the company Golden.
Okay. Alright. So, Sir Fredo, no, Sir Cyrus, Ma'am Nancy, habang ine-enjoy natin yung ating masarap na pagkain, kwentuhan nyo naman po kami kung what do you do in Golden Home Caregivers? So, ano po ba ito?
Yeah, it's a caregiving company. So we hire staff that has the heart of caregiving. As you know, when you practice caregiving in this province, they have like a registration. You need to be certified in order to practice in a facility setting, hospital setting. But some of the staff that we had experience, had the heart of caregiving. Ika nga, kung magaling ka doon, yun ang passion mo, then we let you do that thing that you do. Hinahire natin sila, din dinideploy natin sila sa mga client natin, sa mga bahay-bahay ng client natin. Just simple companionship,
Okay.
If it does involve personal caregiving, yung bathing, pagbibihis ng damit, sasama papunta sa appointment nila, we can also, do that. But the challenges that we had right now in healthcare is few people that know about the funding, about the home care na pwede pala makahire ng private. So, hindi kailangan na mag-rely ka nung ibibigay ng government sa'yo. You have special customized care, ika nga, na gusto mo. So, you have the right to choose, but have to pick the right program for you, which is the CDHI program.
Okay. Yun yung bago, no?
Yes, yun yung bago.
Caregiver program na bago ni-release ng Canada, ng IRCC. Ayan.
Yes. Yeah, so yung regarding sa RRC, yun naman yung sa March 30, no? Yung application. But what I mean is, funding is yun yung ma-avail mo sa government, no? May pa-free caregiving yung gobyerno.
Wow!
Yeah. So, kung meron kang tatay, nanay, or mga kapitbahay na hindi kontento, hindi kontento sa caregiving nila, na services nila, then they could go to this funding. CDHI ang tawag doon. Then sasabihin nila sa doctor nila, gusto ko na ako ang magpili ng caregiving company. So yun ang sagot doon, yung CDHI program ng government. Kapag napili nila yon, then they can choose a private company to serve them.
Okay. Yeah. Sir Fredo, let me just clarify, no? Yung binabanggit mo kasi kanina, parang private or parang in-house na caregiving .
Yeah.
So, ang perception ko, ang naiisip ko, kayo, ang company nyo, nagde-deploy ng mga tao sa mga bahay-bahay ng mga clients.
Yes.
So, it's not a facility.
No, it's not a facility.
Ayun.
Parang,
so, just to be clear, so hindi siya facility or building na idadali nyo doon yung mga clients nyo or yung mga elderlies, or mga special needs. So hindi siya, sila ang maglalagay ng mga tao sa mga kanya-kanya nyong bahay. So ibig sabihin, you can be cared of on the comfort of your home.
Yes.
Ayun, apakaganda.
Diba? Ang maganda doon is it's Filipino-owned and managed. Alam niyo naman na I myself, I'm proud Filipino, doing caregiving, and we have a lot of caregiving heart sa organization natin. Diversified, we have Cantonese staff, French, Mandarin, we do have all languages. Siguro sa tingin ko, Punjab.
And Filipinos.
Yes, Filipinos.
Yes, of course. Ayun. So yun, no, mga kabalen, if you have need ng mga caregiver, if you have caregiver needs, all you have to do is just contact them, and then you could also choose which caregiver you would like to have. Like if you want a Filipino caregiver, a Vietnamese, or a Chinese, or Cantonese. So it's your choice. So kung kanino kayo komportable. Pero usually naman kung ano yung race, yun yung pinipili din nila, like Filipino to Filipino, and so on.
True.
Most especially even other races, they usually choose Filipino.
Of course,
Filipino.
Proud Filipino. Kasi alam po ng
That's what we are best.
Yes, alam ng mga tao kung gaano ka-dedicated, gaano kagaling mag-alaga ang mga Pilipino.
Totoo po yan. Yeah. Idadagdag ko lang sa karamihan ng mga seniors, they have dementia, Especially with this type of disease, it's very hard disease, very challenging. Some of these clients that we had, they have trouble communicating. Memory loss, coordination.
Matitigas na yung ulo ng mga yan, usually.
Hindi lang, but it's part of the disease itself that it's been very challenging for them to manage. Even simple kain. I have dementia. Kakakain ko lang. Pero hindi siya kumain ng 2 days, 3 days.
Wow.
When you communicated that into someone that has a different language, it's hard for them. When I speak specific language that I have, yun ang naaalala ko before, nung paglakihan ko. When you talk about their own language, that is automatic . Kakain tayo, liligo tayo in their own language. Parang kakabind ka ng relationship. That's why we do have a lot of diversified staff to deploy into specific clients na they have their specific language needs. Kasi sobrang click kapag pareho ng language, you know? So, yun ang the best tayo. We
Meron kayong
try.
variety of
Yes.
people na fitted kung sino man yung magiging mga clients nyo.
Yes.
Ayun.
Yes.
And one thing is for sure, no? Sir, can you make sure sa ating mga audience or sa ating mga future clients na your people are equipped, well-trained sa mga ganong klaseng situation?
Yes, of course. Our company do some trainings.
Okay.
Some of our staff that had challenges with some tasks, so we offer trainings in the company. Actually, yesterday we had like 5 participants doing some training, and the most ironic is we are going to launch a special training for staff in a case-to-case basis, and this is gonna be done through a VR system.
Wow. High tech.
Yes, because we feel the only way to expose someone is to be in that scenario.
Okay.
So
Yes,
that
yes, of
VR
course.
system, some clients would shout, some clients would be on the side, and how do you react?
Of
You know?
course, yeah.
How do you say, tigas ng ulo mo? It's not about...
That's the closest to reality
Yes,
na pwede
yes.
nyong gawin as training.
Yes.
Ang galing. Ang galing ng ganong klaseng innovative na training program. No?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we're working on that, but currently now we are doing in-person trainings. Cyrus and I and Nancy will coach all of our staff in that basic field. But the most important thing is yung i-immerse mo sila dun sa scenario talaga.
Okay, very nice. Okay, sir. Here's the thing. I understand na you're from Calgary, no?
Yes.
And you have been doing the business in Calgary for so many
6
years now, or for so long now.
Yeah.
Tell us, sir, why are you in Edmonton?
In Edmonton, actually,
Gusto
today...
niyong magtayo ng same thing here in Edmonton? Ganun po ba?
Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Last summer, 2024, we kind of start to cover Edmonton clients. So our clients here are more of referral. So we did a job fair last July during your Independence Day celebration in Millwoods, and we catered at caregiving applicants here dito sa Edmonton. We feel that we don't have boundaries to help a lot of people. We come to Edmonton to extend our help to those people that really need help, especially with caregiving. We are the champions in caregiving.
There you
That's
go.
Golden Home Care.
There you go. So, proven and tested in Calgary. Now they're bringing it in. They're bringing it here in Edmonton. Wow. Okay. So that's a very good news, no? Especially with our Filipino community, and of course other communities as well, like the Canadians, the Indians. They could avail this service because they're the best. They have many people for that particular job. Iba't ibang mga lahi, iba't ibang mga dialect, and talagang fitted sila for that. Katulad nga ng mga ganong klaseng situation or scenario na sinasabi nyo kanina, sir, kaya nilang i-handle kasi they speak the same language.
Yes.
Universal, kumbaga.
Yeah.
Ayun. Okay. Sir, napakaganda ng inyong gustong gawin dito sa Edmonton. Sana, if you need those kind of services, contact them. Golden Home Caregiver. And sir, how do they reach out to you? Please let them know po.
Yes. You can call us by our landline and telephone number 403-700-2122 or 403-452-9239, our landline. You can email us via our info@goldenhomecaregivers.ca.
Yun.
Yeah.
Any last message po sa ating mga followers para at least ma-avail po nila yung inyong napakagandang services?
They can also they can also visit our website.
The website.
We also have a website.
How about Facebook po? Social media?
Yes,
we
do
also
have.
have.
So what is the name of your social medias po?
It's Golden Home Caregivers Corp.
Mm-hmm.
And our website is World Wide Web, goldenhomecaregivers.com.
There you go. Yeah. So yeah, check them out on their socials and on their website.
Yes.
Yan.
Thank you.
Okay. Sir, final message po.
Yes. Ang masasabi ko lang, Golden Home Caregivers has been in the business of home caregiving for more than 6 years now. We want to help our people, and being I myself as a Filipino, the love and the care is in our blood, and I think it is very important to know about there is such private company operating around Calgary and Edmonton. Please try to reach us out. If you have family members that needed care, please share our company name, and we'll be able to support and help.
Okay. Sir Cyrus, as an HR personnel, ano po ang pwede niyong masabi sa ating mga followers?
Sa mga followers po natin is if you have the skills, if you have the passion to take care of the elderly and those who are in need of of any special needs, you can always contact us, and then let's evaluate your qualifications, and then aside from that, like what Fred had said, that we are also training people. Like we don't just deploy people just right away like that, but we also we want them to be equipped. Even if they are deployed already, we still try to study. We'll try to check their needs, the specific needs, to effectively take care of the clients. That's what we do.
Yun. And syempre sa ating RN, dahil since you're the coordinator talaga, no, you're the one who's in the first line of defense, kumbaga sinasabi ko talaga nandun sa nag-hands-on. Ano pong na-experience nyo doon?
Okay, for us, we as mentioned, we actually train our staff. So once we actually assess our clients, we try to fit match the staff according to their needs. So I created the care plan, and every now and then we also reassess them. And then at the same time, our staff, it's not just we do in-house training for our staff, we also have team leaders who can actually train them on their comfort of their home. So in case the client sometimes will decline, like there will be cases like they will be from the hospitalized, and then their condition might decline. So their condition will change, and we have that staff that we are going to train.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in short, what she's saying is they're very systematic.
Yes.
So they have procedures, they have guides, they have documented basically procedure guides, process oriented sila.
Exactly, yeah.
So napakaganda nun.
Yeah.
Walang mamimiss, walang sobra, walang kulang, lahat eksakto.
Yeah.
Yun ang kinagandahan ng process oriented.
Yeah. Yun ay dagdag sa on top of the care ng client. No?
Yeah.
So most of our staff are highly skilled. We have healthcare aid certifications, and some of the staff that don't have the certifications, we assign them into companionship, and we continuously train them. Most of them are like healthcare background, like nurses from Philippines, from other countries. So they're still on top of the care. It's just when the care changes, kaya tayo nag-uuntap ng training.
Yun. Okay. So eto na. Last na lang, sir, para sa akin. Personally, ang tanong ko. And magbe-benefit naman ito sa ating mga future clients.
Yes.
Okay. So as a previous caregiver, kasi you're also a caregiver, di ba?
Yeah.
So that means nanggaling kayo sa iba't ibang mga caregiving company. So you've seen them all, right? And then now you're a business owner. You own your own caregiving company, and you know how your business works. Question: the big question is, why should we go with Golden Home Caregivers?
Yes. Isa lang sagot ko dyan.
Okay.
We have the heart of caregiving. Most of our clients, 90% of our clients says, I like to go with you because I only talk to one person, and that is me. It's not just talking about the trust, but talking about outside the box. Bigger companies, they can't bring you bananas in your doorstep. I'm out of sugar and milk in my house. You can't find that in any bigger companies. Us, we treat them as family. And why you should go with us, because family is our thing. We treat you as our family members, our lolo and lola. Whatever you need, we are always there, outside the box.
Okay, ayan. So you've heard them, no? You've heard their part, and how do they describe their company, and what is their point of difference sa kanilang business. So if you need caregiving services sa inyong mga lola, lolo, mga loved ones with special needs, Golden Home Caregiver got your back.
Yes.
Okay? So once again, mga kabalen, thank you so much for watching this vlog. It's a very educational, informative na vlog. Kahit na short na kwentuhan lang, pero napakarami naming nalaman. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumusubaybay sa Kabalen in Canada. Once again, this is MJ Mendoza, and you are watching Kabalen in Canada. Bye!
Bye.
Sir, thank you very much.
Thank you. That was, thank you. Kinabahan.